I did it in June of 2020. It was actually on accident. I came here for what was supposed to be a 7-day trip, and the story goes I never left. Actually, the Financial Times credits me as being patient zero for starting a lot of this movement, because when I first moved here, I started telling my friends from Silicon Valley, Miami's actually really great. It's not what you think it is. You really have to check it out. They all came and they checked it out, and one by one they came. I like to think of Miami as a viral product with very high retention. People talk about it, it's very buzzy, but once they try it out, they stay. And at least of the people I know, I don't know anyone who's gone back to Silicon Valley or New York that's moved here. So
wow,
it's fantastic here.
I know you're chatting with our executive producer, Sandy Cannell, a little bit earlier, and you said to him that there is a bubble here, not necessarily a bubble that's going to pop, but a bubble that's akin to what Silicon Valley had once been in terms of the place to go, a self-fulfilling sort of ecosystem where everybody's connected, everybody knows something. Is that what's happening here?
Yeah, that's absolutely right. I mean, we're somewhat insulated from the larger economy.
How can that be?
Well, the facts speak for themselves. So, real estate here is still going up. It's going down in every other market in the U.S. Venture capital, dollars into companies in this ecosystem are up 80% year over year. The next best city is Austin. It's negative 25%. New York is negative 45%. San Francisco is negative 49%. So there's just a huge, I think, flight of talent here, flight of capital. $2 trillion in AUM has come here in the last 2 years alone. We're here at a conference where $10 trillion of AUM is here at this conference that, I'm going to be speaking at tomorrow, and a lot of other prominent people will be. It's really become, a place that people want to come to, and as long as that's true, I think it'll bode really well for the local ecosystem.
Jack, what excites you right now? Again, we're up in New York City, and again, I would tell you that the fintech community up there, they benefited from a lot of the, people leaving Silicon Valley. What excites you being here? Is it fintech? Is it crypto related? Is it still Web3? Is Web3 still a thing here? That sort of thing. What are you guys really focused on right now?
I think that we're largely in an age where software is disrupting traditional industry. And one of the things that's great about Miami, and it's also great about New York, is there's a really diverse ecosystem of industries here and people who work in those industries. So software disrupting healthcare, software disrupting finance and fintech, software disrupting real estate and prop tech. Those are really big themes that you see play out here. There's some interesting things happening in everything from climate to energy to there is still Web3 going on. So it's actually much, much more diverse than I think a lot of people would realize from the outset.
It sounds like everything is amazing here in Miami, but interest rates are still higher, and it's a different world in terms of any sort of investing. So has that changed how you invest? Has it changed the amount of money you take in? Anything?
I think what happened was in the past cycle, companies were rewarded for high growth at all costs. So it was actually, if you had a higher burn rate, that was almost better for venture capitalists. They knew you were going to fundraise again. They could get a mark on their equity. And that has totally flipped, where what really works now is low burn and still growth, but efficient growth. That's what really matters. So as long as you're a company that's able to achieve that, I think you can do well in this ecosystem. There's also been a huge flight of capital from the growth stage to the early stage. Now seed and Series A's, those are still happening. The prices haven't dropped that much. But you see prices dropping 50 to 70% at the late stage, even if you can get a round done, which is pretty interesting.
Wow.